Welcome student, I am Sandeep Kumar. Today we will discuss about instruction set of microprocessor. The classification of instructions in microprocessor are given. We are classifying instruction according to operations. Data copy instructions, arithmetic instructions, logical instructions, input-output instruction, branch instruction, stack instructions, and machine control instructions. Now, data copy instruction. In data copy instruction, we further classify them register to register. In this instruction, the instruction used to transfer data from one register to another register. For example, move B, C. Here, the content of register C will move to register B. Next, register to memory. The content of register transfer to memory. For example, STA2050. It means content of accumulator transfer to memory location 2050H. Next, memory to register. Content of memory transfer to register. For example, LDA 2050. Content of memory location 2050H transfer to accumulator. Next, load immediate data MVI B, 20H. Here it load immediate data 20H to register B. Next, arithmetic instruction. Mostly two arithmetic instructions are discussing here: addition and subtraction. Number one, addition without carry. For example, add B. Add means add means addition. B means register B. Add the content of accumulator with content of register B and result get in accumulator. Second, addition with carry ADCB. AD means addition, C stand for carry, B stand for register B. Here I write here A is equal to A plus B plus carry flag. It means content of A add with register B plus carry flag and the result again get in accumulator A. Next, third, immediate addition ADI 20H. It means add immediate with 20H. It means content of accumulator plus 20H and result get in accumulator. Next, subtraction with borrow, subtraction without borrow. For example, SUB. SUB stand for subtraction, B stand for register B. Content of register B subtract from A and result get in A. A stand for accumulator. And subtraction, next point, subtraction with borrow SBB. SB for subtraction, next B is for borrow and third B is for register B. Content of register B and borrow flag subtract from accumulator and result get in accumulator. Next, immediate subtraction SBI. Subtract immediate with borrow. Content of accumulator content 20H, immediate content 20H subtract from accumulator and result get in accumulator. Logical instruction. There are some logical operation. For example, AND A and D. A and D stand for AND. Content of accumulator AND with register content of register C and result get in accumulator. ORAD content of accumulator OR with content of register D and result get in accumulator. XRAE, it means XOR operation between content of accumulator and register E and result get in accumulator. Input output instruction. There are two input output instructions most commonly used. IN 20-bit 8-bit address. कोई भी 8-bit address हो सकता है यहाँ पर. For example, in 20H. Here 20H is 8-bit address of input port from where we read the data from input port whose address is 20H. Out 8-bit address. For example, out 30H. 30H is 8-bit address. Send data to output port whose address is 30H. 30H is 8-bit address of output port. वहाँ पर हमारे को डेटा भेजना है.